Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Taisha's Cuisine, where you find all the best, healthy, delicious, mouth-watering Haitian food recipes on YouTube. Today, guys, I am going to show you how to make oven grilled fish. It's delicious, it's full of flavor. You are going to enjoy this meal. So, let's get started. So to get started, guys, what I am going to do, I am going to let these red snappers marinate in salt, lime, vinegar for a good 20 minutes. Trust me, if you could just be patient and let these marinate, you will definitely taste the difference. Prior to this, guys, what I did, I cleaned the fish, I removed all the scales, everything that I don't need, and I let this marinate in the vinegar, salt, and lime juice. Like I mentioned in my previous video, it's my preference. I don't like to make the lines or the cuts yet until the fish is well rinsed under cold water. When I know it's all clean, that's when I make the lines. And when I'm getting ready to add the seasonings, my Haitian épices, to spice it up. Definitely give it a try. It's my preference. I don't like to make the cuts until the fish is totally clean. Okay, so as you can see here, rinsing it under cold water. And then another thing I'm going to use in this recipe, I have bell peppers. Okay, I have red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, parsley. I'm drizzling a little bit of olive oil and salt, and as you can see here, I am spicing it up with my Haitian épices. Of course, it's a blended spice. I do have another video on this channel that shows you exactly how to make the Haitian épices. It's garlic, scallions, parsley, thyme, all the good herbs, and then a little bit of olive oil. Of course, I add salt. So my Haitian épices is super flavorful. Okay, so it has salt, black pepper, and hot pepper. So I don't really need to add too much after I season up the fish. As you can see, I do it both sides. I apply it all over the fish, also inside the fish. This will add lots of flavor. Definitely give it a try. So after I finish adding all the seasonings, my Haitian épices, I am going to place this on top of the bell peppers that you see here. Guys, to be honest, the best way to get best result with this fish is if you could let it sit for another, I would say another 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes before you start cooking it, because I think it's much better. But I'm in a hurry. I'm hungry. I just came from work. I need something to eat as soon as possible. It's going to be delicious, but if you could let it rest. So now what I'm going to do, I am going to bake this for 15 minutes under the oven first, 350 degrees under the oven. And then after that, I remove it and I put it on top of this little grill that you see here. And I'm going to give it an extra 10 to 15 minutes. And it's going to be absolutely delicious. Give it a try, okay? Write me, put a comment, let me know if this recipe was the best. Okay, so as you can see here, this is looking good, delicious. I am going to enjoy this. I don't know about you. Give it a try. And I'm going to enjoy this with some salad and vegetable rice. Of course, we don't want this to go to waste. This delicious bell peppers, caramelized onions, put it right on top of the fish. All right, this is how you do this. And I don't know what your preference is, but I like mine with vegetable rice, as you can see here. I don't know, write me, let me know, what else would you enjoy this with? I like my fish with vegetable rice, okay? Vegetable rice with peas, corn. It's delicious. All right, so I hope this video was useful to you guys. As usual, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the share button. Share. Please tell your friends, your family, that Taisha's Cuisine is on YouTube, sharing delicious Haitian food recipes. Let's make this channel big, you guys. I am representing Haiti. All the delicious Haitian food are going to be posted right here on Tasha's Cuisine. So share on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Tell all your friends. I really appreciate it. Thank you for coming again and again. As usual, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more videos. Bye now.